Hey guys, it's your girl Lashes Tony XO. Oh my god, I'm so excited! It is time for my July YouTube anniversary giveaway. Okay, so first off, I want to say if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Michelle. Please become part of our Lashes Tony XO family. We would love to have you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified for my weekly giveaways, which are on my Saturday Shop My Stash. I'll link those down below if you want to watch them and see what it's all about. Also, if you didn't know, if you're new to my channel, this is my 5-year anniversary here on YouTube. I'm so excited, you guys. I have 3 giveaways going on. So the first one I want to talk about is this one right here. I'm really excited. We're going to go over the goodies right here, and then I'm going to tell you the rules, how long it lasts, all that stuff. If I don't go over something, check the description box. It should be in that. It's an international giveaway. It's open to everyone, okay guys? This is just me thanking you guys for all the love and support that you have given me over these 5 years. I so appreciate your love and support. You just don't even know what it means to me. And so this is my way of thanking you guys. So when you see this go live, it is officially open. So, okay, let's go over the goodies, okay? I hope you're excited. I don't even know what to start with first because I'm so excited. Alright, so the first thing, you guys are going to get your own Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet palette. Your own palette, guys. I've talked about this on my channel. I love it. It is a buildable purple and nude palette. I'm actually wearing the nude on my eyes. So if you think, well, I don't want to just use purples all the time, I'm wearing the nude side. So you can get a purple look and a nude look all in one palette, which is amazing, okay? So this right here, it retails for $59, and you're going to get this, okay? You're going to get this. Okay, the next thing is another Urban Decay product. You guys know I'm a big Urban Decay fan. This is the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. The Urban Decay Naked Honey palette, you guys. This palette is so pigmented. If you didn't know, this palette right here has the prettiest golds and neutrals. You can do a neutral look, everyday work look, but you can also jazz it up with the honey color, which is gorgeous, you guys. What other color is it? It's honey. I've talked about this palette a million times. I love it. You can zhuzh it up. You can make it neutral. You can even, if you want to, use both of these at the same time and come up with a look. I love these 2 palettes. So you're going to get both of these palettes. What else are you going to get? You're going to get the Too Faced Born This Way Turn Up the Light highlighter, you guys. You're going to get this palette. It is beautiful. If you guys have not seen, I will link down below some videos that maybe you want to see me using these 2 palettes and talking about this palette. I'll link all those videos down below. It'll say videos mentioned or videos suggested or something like that, and I'll put those down below if you want to check them out. This is what mine looks like. It's going to come in this like egg looking compartment. It has 3 different textures. The one in the middle is like a soft focus. There's a dazzle shade and there's a glow shade. And they do have light, medium, and tan as far as the color range, okay? Whoever wins is just going to tell me if they want light, medium, or tan. I'm not sure if they have a dark, but I will check into it, okay? So there's going to be only one winner in this particular giveaway, guys. But I do have another giveaway going on this channel. It'll be later on during the month. And I'll also have one on my Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle down below. But this is the palette that you're going to get. It's so beautiful. Of course, yours might be a different shade, like I said, but I'm going to show you the 3 different textures. Like I said, this one is, what is it called? This one's Glow, this one's Soft Focus, and this one is Dazzle. So, excited about the palette. I love this palette. I got it for my birthday this year and absolutely love it. So you will be getting that as well. You are going to get the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer, you guys. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Again, whoever wins, you're going to tell me what color you want. Okay? So these 2 right here are going to be varied on whoever wins. They're just going to tell me what color they want. And that's what color that I'm going to send them, okay? So again, this is like a $55 bronzer. This right here is a I want to say $42 highlight. For $55 bronzer, Charlotte Tilbury. And both of these palettes are $59 each. So we're getting up there in price, guys. We're still going, okay? I'm also going to give you guys these little e.l.f. minis. You're going to be getting rose water. You're going to be getting truffles. And you're going to be getting cream and sugar. So these 3 e.l.f. shadows is what you're going to be getting in the giveaway as well. So you're going to be getting the number 7 powder. This is the Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder. Again, you will tell me what color you are, and that is the color I will send you, okay? So you will be picking your color in the number 7 powder, the Too Faced Turn Up the Light highlighter, and the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. These 3 things, you are gonna, whoever wins will tell me what colors they want. And last but not least, you're also gonna get this blush that I've been raving about. This is the Kevyn Aucoin blush in the color Mango Fira, and it is the Pure Powder Glow. The Pure Powder Glow by Kevyn Aucoin. This is such a beautiful summer, gorgeous color. And this is a blush. So if you like blushes, you're going to get Kevyn Aucoin blush, Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, Too Faced highlighter, number 7 powder, some e.l.f. palettes, the Naked Urban Decay Honey palette, the Naked Urban Decay Ultraviolet palette. That is everything in the giveaway that I wanted to do for you guys for my 5-year YouTube anniversary, and I might throw a few more little extra things in there. So this giveaway is open now, international, and the rules are going to be, let me think. I will put the rules down below. You must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. That is a no-brainer. I will check for that. Let's see. I want you to hashtag Lashes Tony XO giveaway. Leave a comment telling me what you like about my channel. And let's see. If you've watched this video till the end, trying to think of something fun, some type of fun emoji to put down here. What fun emoji could we do? Let's do a lipstick. Most people have a red lipstick on their emojis. Put a red lipstick emoji. If you don't have a red lipstick emoji, put a wink emoji, okay? Put one of the other emojis. And then also, I would like you to share this video. And if you ask me, how do I share the video? It's very, very easy. Just share that. You can put it on your Facebook, your Twitter. If you have a YouTube channel, you can do it on that. Just whatever. Just share my video. It helps me a lot. Make sure to like the video. Like I said, comment. I'll put all the rules down below if I think of anything else. And this is going to be open July 31st. Okay? So this one will be open till July 31st. Okay, let me touch base on my other giveaways really quick. Alright, so my other video, I'll post another video with my other YouTube giveaway for my anniversary. It is going to be the Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. If you want to win the Natasha Denona Bronze Palette, like I said, that video will be coming up later on during the month. And that one will last until August. I just haven't decided what day in August yet. So we'll talk about that later. Also, there will be a giveaway on my Instagram. So my Instagram handle will be down below. And I'm going to be giving away a Sephora gift card. Sephora gift card. So you have several things you can enter. 3 things you can enter. You can do this one where you get all these fun. I'm only picking one winner now. Only one winner. So you must do everything required. You must do everything in the description box to win. I don't want to hear about why I can't do this, I can't do that. Then I'm sorry. Like I said, I'll put all the information for the other giveaways. I'll put the deadline for this giveaway, what you need to do, blah blah blah. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you enter, and good luck to everybody. I love you all, and I wish I was rich enough and I would give every single one of my subscribers in my Lashes Tony XO family, I would give them all these prizes if I could afford it, but I can't. So this is just my little way of giving back to you guys who have been supporting me for all these years. Like I said, this is my big giveaway. There'll be another giveaway, Natasha Denona palette, the bronze palette, be later on, and that one won't end till August, and I'll tell you more about that one later. And then there'll be one for a Sephora gift card on my Instagram, and that one I think I'll probably choose a winner August 1st maybe, but I haven't decided on it, not yet. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, are you excited about it? Don't forget to hashtag, I was going to say shop mustache. No. Don't forget to hashtag Lashes Tony XO giveaway, okay? And share the video. Don't forget to put me either a little wink emoji or a lipstick emoji if you've watched this video. Make sure to share. Those are everything I can think of for the rules. Hope you have a good day. Love you to pieces, and I'll see you next time. Bye.